Hello, I'm Dr. Surisha and a warm welcome to you to my channel. In this video, we'll try to understand ERG theory of motivation proposed by Clayton Alderfer. Okay, ERG, which stands for existence, relatedness and growth needs, or those motives which really direct our behavior towards particular goal. Okay, what motivates the human beings, and basically this ERG theory proposed by Clayton Alderfer, this is a bit contradictory to Maslow's need hierarchy. If you really want to understand what Maslow's need hierarchy is, please do check out the other video which I have done on the hierarchy of needs or the order of needs. Okay, just to revise, what Abraham Maslow has suggested is, we individuals, we have a hierarchy of needs, rather ranking of needs, or one by one, like in a hierarchical order. After one set of needs are met, like the physiological needs are met, then arises the safety need, and then social needs, like that, one by one. But to understand, like there is some confusion or contradiction about Maslow's theory, because we as individuals, it is very tough for us to follow a hierarchy of needs. It is not that we completely, like other set of needs will arise only first set of needs are satisfied. We cannot work like that, we cannot think like that. So based on that point, what ERG theory suggests is, there is no ranking of needs. It is not a hierarchy of needs. Okay, there will be overlapping of needs. Different sets of needs at the same time can motivate us as individuals or as professionals. Okay, like for example, see, existence needs, where Maslow's physiological and safety needs here in ERG theory relates to existence needs. Okay, so this existence, like basic physiological and safety needs, they fall under the category of existence needs when it comes to ERG theory, and relatedness needs, where Maslow's social needs like belonging, the need for belongingness, the need for love and affection, the need for social acceptance, all those will fall under relatedness needs in ERG theory. And growth needs, where Maslow's esteem and self-actualization needs, these will fall under the category of growth needs when it comes to ERG theory. Okay, but whatever the differentiation, like here is, like different sets of needs will overlap. That means we can be motivated by different needs at the same time. It is not in hierarchical order that we get motivated. Okay, we do not follow a hierarchy or ranking of needs. It is, motivation is not a step by step process. Okay, at the same time we may be motivated by existence needs as well as related needs. At the same time we can be motivated by relatedness needs as well as growth needs. So there will be an overlapping of needs. That is what ERG theory suggests. And also this theory suggests frustration regression hypothesis, which is an interesting and quite sensible concept. Frustration regression hypothesis means, see, we as individuals, when we are frustrated by not achieving something, okay, say for example, when an employee, say for example as an employee, you are not achieving your growth needs, you are not getting the needed recognition in the office or in your career, or that growth in your career, you are frustrated by that, then you may switch to related needs or social needs. Because you are frustrated here, because you are not achieving what you really are aiming for, your career is not progressing well as you expected, then we switch our motivations to, say for example, relatedness needs, and we may try to focus on developing more healthy relationships with our colleagues or friends. We try to focus our motives to social fulfillment. Okay, so that is the concept of frustration regression analysis or hypothesis. Okay, when some need is not met as expected by us, we switch over to some other need to satisfy our ego. Okay, so that is the concept of frustration regression hypothesis. Okay, so this is what ERG theory proposes, which I think is very logical, and we can observe that behavior within ourselves. Okay, thank you.